People are generally scared of a variety of things, and what frightens individuals can vary widely based on personal experiences, cultural influences, and societal factors. Some common fears include death and mortality. Fear of one's own death or the death of loved ones is a fundamental fear for many people. Existential threats. Concerns about catastrophic events such as nuclear war, pandemics, or natural disasters that could threaten human existence. Loss of control. Fear of losing control over one's life, circumstances, or surroundings. Unknown and uncertainty. Fear of the unknown, including uncertainty about the future or unfamiliar situations. Social rejection and isolation. Fear of being alone, socially rejected, or ostracized. Failure and repercussions. Fear of failure, making mistakes, or facing consequences for one's actions. Physical harm. It's the fear of bodily harm, injury, or illness that haunts many of us, sometimes lurking at the back of our minds as a silent whisper of caution. Invasion of privacy, fear of personal information being exposed or invaded. Change, fear of changes in one's life, routines, or environment. Loss of loved ones, fear of losing close relationships or the emotional pain associated with separation. These fears can manifest in different ways and may vary in intensity depending on individual circumstances and personality traits.